Hey everybody. Um, so my name is Osiris Stevenson, and this is my composition too. Let's go through it. Okay, y'all. I chose to showcase a native body wash soap bottle. For the balance in this piece, I designed the layout with intention. As you can see, it is placed in somewhat of a 4-quadrant view on the canvas, similar to how the sketches were in class when we went over those. With this spacing, I wanted to create a visual equilibrium, right? So that the viewer can see it in a subtle yet commanding way. And because of how the soap bottle has been arranged in this piece, a rhythmic flow has been created because we now see one aspect of the design to the next. For the emphasis, I think it is quite clear with the shadow shown behind the perspective view. This softly highlights the profile of the soap bottle. Nonetheless, this is a deliberate choice in comparison to the other views shown. The shadow took me some time to get right when using gradients in Illustrator. I used the E key for free transform to get the exact enlargement. I then used the S key to scale the shadow, right? And then with these adjustments, I was able to cast a soft shadow with rounded edges to essentially give the bottle a subtle lift off of the canvas. Okay. Many a color was considered as a backdrop in this piece, just for this reason, but I felt a more pastel green was necessary to bring this piece to life. So in class, we talked about the importance of scale as a tool. And I want to acknowledge this because the bottle has been adapted to fit the canvas from a sketch of the physical object to what is now the digital representation. The scale of each view is carefully adjusted to ensure that the proportions remain true to the real product for the sake of clarity. I believe by seeing how the image is in the 3 views and then the perspective, the viewer is able to know how it would be in their hand when being held, how it would sit on a bathroom corner or a shower caddy. And when crafting this design, I felt confident about the visual continuity the more I worked on it. What I mean is the flow and connection between the elements are fundamental. So the details for the shape of the soap bottle itself to the subtle gradation of its shadow. And it's like I said earlier about picking the right backdrop, right? Because I wanted the unity to be reinforced by carefully selecting the right pastel color to complement the soap bottle's minimalist look and practical use. So, thanks, y'all.